Well, what is up, everybody? Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Well, if you have noticed, I am not on the CBR today, and I am not in an empty parking lot. My intentions were to shoot a video today practicing clutch ups in a parking lot that I found last Sunday on the 06 CBR, but things didn't go as planned yesterday at work, and I had to come in on my only day off. So I'm just going to shoot this video driving home from the job site and post this to get something up, but we're going to have to postpone our clutch up video until next week. However, I do believe that I will have the audio right this time. After the last 3 or 4 trial and errors, I think I've got it situated properly. But we'll see. It's usually a surprise when I get home and go to edit the video. But I really think I got it this time. Little bummed out that we're not doing the clutch ups. I was excited for that. It's something that I don't have a lot of practice at and would like to get better at, but just have to push it off. It's my 7th day this week working, and I'm pretty tired, so spend some time with the family on what's left of my day off, and we'll just get to the wheelies next week. Nothing real exciting on this ride, just same drive I take home from work every day through Panama City. Maybe we'll see something cool, who knows. I am super tired too. It's been a long week. Cop. I think I slowed down enough for him. Looks like I might catch every single light on this ride. Gee. I don't know what the speed limit is on this road. Hopefully it wasn't much lower than what I was going. Oh my goodness, every light. I was just joking, but I really am catching every single light. Hopefully next week we get an actual day off on Sunday and I can go do those clutch ups and shoot some good video. Also, I ordered off of wish.com a 4K action camera that I'm going to be doing a comparison video to my GoPro Hero 7 and my Insta360 just to see the quality on a camera. I think I paid like $28 for. I mean, I'm sure it's not going to be great, but I want to see the difference side by side, so we're going to try that. It's fun. I don't think it comes in for like another 2 weeks, so that's one big con for ordering things through sites like that, like wish.com, is that the turnover time is a lot longer. It takes a lot longer to get the product from China. So we have to wait. Guys, well, I'm about home, so go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video, send me a comment, let me know what you want to see, what else we could be doing, any ideas, I'm open to them, and I'll see y'all next Sunday. Ride safe, enjoy your journey, everyone.